के कॉम्पेयर्स हैं विनीता नवलकर और मंगेश मांडलिक। आगे का हाल इनसे सुनिए।
नमस्कार। 30 ऑक्टोबर हा दिवस दरवर्षी आपण मोठ्या उत्साहाने साजरा करतो. भारताच्या अणुसंशोधनाचे जनक आणि TFRचे संस्थापक आपणा सर्वांना माहितीच आहे, डॉक्टर होमी जहांगीर भाभा यांचा तो जन्मदिवस. तर दरवर्षीप्रमाणे आजही आपण सर्वजण याचकरिता इथे जमलेलो आहोत. तर मी मंगेश मंडलिक
आणि मी विनीता नवलकर.
आम्ही तुम्हा सर्वांच्या मनापासून स्वागत करतो.
It is really an honor itself to honor this galaxy of intellectuals who is gathered here today. The celebration started on 30th October by felicitating the staff members who have put in infinite efforts for last 25 years for upbringing of this institute. Since morning, you all have been experiencing the enthusiasm of various activities in the celebrations of this day. And now, it's time for yet another enchanting cultural performances by our own TIFR family members. So let us unfold the colors of today's cultural feast. God answers every prayer.
When the idea is not right, God says no.
When the time has not arrived, God says slow.
We have good plans for us, but God has better plans for us. So let us begin our program with a Ganesh Vandana. Mrs. Oindrila Raichaudhary will perform Mangal Charan, which is an Odissi dance performance which is meant to seek the blessings of Lord Ganesh.
रूप